guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Sam. Today I filmed this look for you guys. You guys really highly requested it on Instagram, so that's what I did today. So without further ado, if you'd like to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Hey guys, notice anything, I don't know, different? Oh, maybe it's these pretty things behind me. So today we're going to be using the Morphe 35C palette, but I'm pretty sure it's discontinued because I couldn't find it on their website. It's this really colorful palette, but they do have the 35B palette, and I think it looks pretty similar. As far as I could tell, it looked like it had all the same colors as this palette, so if you don't have this one, you can get that one. Or just use your own similar colors to recreate this look. That'll work too. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by priming my eyelid. I'm just gonna take some Shape Tape. Wow, I'm trying to like use up this Shape Tape because it's almost out. And that's the most that's like actually come off the brush in a while. Why couldn't that have happened when I was doing my face makeup? And I learned a new trick recently by priming your eyes with concealer. Like, I've already done that, but not setting it. It apparently makes your eyeshadow pop even more, and I did that when I first did this look. I'm recreating it now, so I didn't film it, so I'm stupid. Anywho, I tried that the first time I did this look, and it worked really well. So we're gonna give that another try today. This eyeshadow palette doesn't have names, so I'm just gonna point them out to you. I'm gonna start with this yellow shade. So before you actually start, just make sure you don't have any creases. I'm just taking that yellow on my Morphe E22 brush and popping that right in the crease. So do you guys like the background? I don't even know how it's gonna look. I don't even know how it's gonna look on camera yet. I guess I'll find out when I edit this video. I have high hopes though. I think it'll be really cute. I've just been wanting something a little different than a plain white background. And if you're curious of where I got it from Party City for like 10 bucks. And it's just a door fringe, I think that's what they called it. So I'm just building up that yellow, which by the way, this is a really good eyeshadow. I'm making sure to blend this like almost all the way to my brow bone, and I'm bringing it out quite far as well and inwards. This isn't really going to show when we start adding other colors, but it'll make it really easy to blend colors together. So next I'm taking this bright orange shade, and I'm just going to use one of these fluffy brushes. This is from Lime Crime. It's got the water and little hearts in it. It's really cute. So starting in the crease, I'm just going to blend that in first. Make sure to take that in and all the way out. We're going to kind of make, not a wing, but like a wing-ish shape, if that makes sense. Kind of going out here. Just make sure you really blend it in, and then we'll start building up the color. I'm just going to use that first brush with the yellow, but not adding anything extra. And just really make sure the two are blended together so there's no harsh lines. Next I'm taking this pink shade right here, and then we're going to go in with this one on top of it. And I'm using this little e.l.f. brush. It's like a fluffy but sort of flat brush. I like it for packing down eyeshadows. So I'm going to start in the inner corner and just start laying that color down. And only taking it about halfway. Next, I'm taking that lighter shade and packing that right on top. I'm gonna make sure to stop at the crease. I forgot to even mention that I'm baking my face, and I've got powder down just in case there's any fallout. So now we're going back in with the brush we used for the orange. I'm not adding anything. I'm just gonna go over this little crease area and blend it out a bit. Next we're going in with this red shade, and I'm gonna start at the crease. This is where that like V shape is gonna kind of come into play. So I'm just bringing it out slowly, making sure to blend it. And then I'm gonna bring it down in the outer corner. So we're just kind of winging it outwards. I'm taking this flat brush from Sugar Pill and taking that red shade. I'm gonna start packing that in the outer corner. I'm gonna take this other red shade. This is more of a pinky red. I'm gonna take that right between like this pink and this red to kind of morph them together a bit. I'm gonna take the brush we used for the orange again and blend out the edges. I feel like we lost a bit of that pink, so I'm just taking the darker pink we used and packing that on. If you recreate this look, I guess you could pretty much just skip the step for that lighter pink. Since we're covering it up, it doesn't really matter too much. So we're done with the eyeshadow on the top of our lid. Next we're gonna go in and use some glitter. I'm using neon pink glitter from Makeup Store. Looks like this. I'm going to put down a bit of glitter glue in my inner corner area. And I'm just gonna use my finger for this and just tap it on. This glitter is so pretty, and this is why we put down powder for fallout. The last color in this palette we'll be using is this purple. So I'm gonna take that on this crown brush and start putting this on my lower lash line area. I'm actually gonna switch to this Morphe R39 brush. So I'm just concentrating this on my outer corner area. I'm bringing it about halfway in. I know the edge of this looks messy, but we're gonna do wing liner anyway, so it's okay. Next, I'm taking my BH Studio Pro Ultimate Artistry Shadow Palette, and I'm gonna take this blue right here. It's just a very pretty shimmery ocean kind of blue. I'm gonna use my Makeup Geek pencil brush. It's very small, and spray it with some Fix Plus. And we're gonna take this all the way up to our inner corner and meet it with the purple shade. Kind of blend into that. Okay, so that is it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to wipe away this fallout and then do a wing liner, and I'm gonna use my Bleach London liner. I think this is called their graphite pencil, something like that. So eyeliner is really difficult to do if you've already put down glitter, so I'm struggling a bit. So I'm gonna do this off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so not my best eyeliner, but it's also not horrible. So moving on, I did tightline my upper waterline, and now I'm gonna go in with this gel liner from Morphe. I believe these are new. This is in the shade Voodoo. It's just a purple eyeliner. And I'm literally taking a teeny tiny paintbrush, and I'm gonna put that in my waterline. It's not really a bright purple, but it is really nice and easy to use. Alright, before I finish off my eyes with mascara and lashes, I'm going to finish my face. I'm going to highlight with my Ofra Cosmetics Glazed Donut. For blush, you probably already know, I'm going to use my Makeup Store Cosmopolitan microshadow. I'm going to gel down my eyebrows. I started using this CHELLA clear eyebrow gel. It looks like this, and it works pretty good. Next, I'm taking my tinted brow gel from Anastasia. And finally, some Gimme Brow from Benefit. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my BLEACH London mascara. In the look I posted, I was wearing my Rouge and Rogue Luminera lashes, but today I'm gonna wear Cosmic Kitten instead. Okay, so last step is the lips. I'm gonna start by using Stripped Down Lip Pencil from MAC Cosmetics. Next, I'm using the Marmalade Plushie from Lime Crime. I just let the color dry down a little bit, and now we're going in with MAC Lip Glass in the shade Dreamy. The camera's probably not picking it up, but this gloss is really pretty and sparkly. Well guys, this is the end of my tutorial for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my Instagram as well. I'll have it on the screen right here. And let me know what you guys think of this background. Is it too distracting? Is it really cute? Leave a comment down below and let me know. And any look recommendations you'd like me to film for you guys, let me know as well. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!